Nature is fantastic. Those creatures you see right there are called trees. Some trees are short and some are rather tall. And as you can see there, it is raining. Raining is when water falls out of sky. Some scientists believe that raining is caused by science. However, it's more commonly believed that raining is actually caused by evil witch and wizard that lives in Canada. This is Mississippi River, and there are a lot of creatures which lives in this river. Oh look, it's a duck. Look at it swimming all by itself. It looks so lonely and sad. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Or not. I don't care.